Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix an Acer laptop that turns on but shows a black screen. If your Acer laptop screen has suddenly turned black while you were using it, plug the charging cable in and try increasing the brightness by pressing the function key and right arrow key together. This may sound simple, but a lot of users have fixed the issue using this method. If this does not work, you can try resetting the graphics driver. To do this, press the Windows key plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B on your keyboard together. Your screen will flash and start working again. If your Acer laptop screen still won't work, you can try performing a hard reset. To do this, first press and hold the power button to turn off your laptop completely. Then, disconnect the charger and all other peripheral devices connected to your Acer laptop. Now, press and hold the power button for at least 15 seconds. This will drain all the excessive power. After this, reconnect the charging cable to your laptop and press the power button to turn it back on. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.